Okay, so let's look at clause structure. The way the sentences can be built, the building blocks of the sentence breakdown. So at the very least, you can have one word, verb, rise, rose. It rose. It's rising. Risen. It rose. Very good. Subject and a verb. Who the sentence is about. The sun did something. The sun rose. The sun rose. He rose. They rose up. Subject, verb, complement. So again, who it's about, action, and how it is done. The sun rose bright. The sun rose hot. Whew. Or clear. Clear. Subject, verb, adverbial. The sun rose quickly. The sun rose quickly. The sun rose easily. Easily. Subject, verb, object. He saw the sky. So subject, who the sentence is about, he. Verb, saw. Object, the sky. He saw the sky. The sky. Very good. And then easily. Subject, verb, object, object. Subject, verb, object, object. He made himself breakfast. Because look, the pronoun here refers back to himself. He made himself breakfast. He made himself breakfast. Very good. Subject, verb, object, adverbial. Subject, who the sentence is about. Verb, the action. Object, what is used, what happens. And adverbial, how it is done. So he ate it slowly. 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 He ate it slowly. Or even, he ate it fast. He ate it lazily. He ate it casually. Casually. And then we have subject, verb, object, complement. This made him glad. Made him happy. This, the breakfast, subject, yeah. Verb, made, object, him, and a complement, happy, glad, excited, sad, and beyond. How did the breakfast make him feel? Ready, made him ready, ready for the day. Ah, very good. Yes, so by using different combinations, we can create different sentences. Verb, subject, verb, complement, subject, verb, adverbial, subject, verb, object, subject, verb, object, object, subject, verb, object, and beyond. But again, subject and verb, at the very least, that itself creates a sentence. Subject and verb, who the sentence is about, and the action. Subject, verb, how cool is that? And then we have things like complement, bright, glad, happy. Adverb, quickly, slowly, easily. And even the object can be a pronoun, himself, herself, themselves, itself. And object, oh yeah, it, yeah. Adverb, yeah. Subject, verb, yeah. But again, the sentence, a clause, could be as small as two things. Subject, verb. The sun rose. Sun rose. The sun rose. My sun rose. Or simply a verb. Rise. Rose. Run. Walk. Talk. Cook. He eat. Eat. Ate. Eat. Eat. Listen. Learn. Record. Pay attention. right. How cool is that? So different ways of making clauses and the basic structure. Let's keep going.